Hello, my name is Tyson Lawn, and this is my Project 3 assignment, week 11. As you're looking at right now, this is my digital portfolio. I'm a freshman at Stony Brook University trying to study in the business field. In order to achieve that, I must have a 3.0 GPA, and right now I'm trying to work my ways into getting that. This portfolio is going to, you're going to find interest interest in academic achievements and many more. I'm gonna about me. I'm from Staten Island, New York, just an hour and a half away from Stony Brook. I've been playing football since I was 5 years old. I really didn't like it at first, but myself when I went into fresh when I went into high school, my sophomore year, I got moved up to varsity, and it was my sophomore year I got moved up to varsity, and I started doing good, and by junior year I started getting scholarship offers. So I started to take it seriously, more serious. My resume, my experiences. I worked with some summer youth employment program. I don't know if you heard of it, but I worked with kids, and I became a camp counselor for 2 years. Also, which I didn't mention here, is that I helped clean up trains stations. My education. I went to Curtis High School, Staten Island, New York, all 4 years. Leadership. I was nominated 2 years in a row for team captain of the football team amongst three others. Contact info, which you'll see on my LinkedIn. LinkedIn, it is a good tool to use to support my brand. I can connect with others for other business opportunities, and I'm able to grow my network within the app. Connecting with LinkedIn is an easy way to never lose touch with the professional community, so you'll never not miss anything. These tools are easy to use from a phone or computer because it's like a mobile resume. Um, on my Instagram, I feel like this is the best social media tool to help me support my personal branding. It gives me the opportunity to make my account a business account, but as you can see, you really can't see right now. But like in the app on my phone, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Like it gives users links to your email, phone number, address, or even your personal website you're selling product on. Also, they have a setting called Alt Action Button, and you can connect your Instagram business profile with other online services to so customers can interact with your business right from the profile. That gives users the opportunity to see like your business or website through a different application, such as like Facebook, Twitter, anything. Like it makes it more and more. You could choose the right category or subcategory that helps people understand what your business is about, such as brands and products, companies and organizations, and local businesses. And I use Instagram for football purposes. As you can see, that I like posting about football a lot, like football related photos. And this picture right here, like motivation. My aunt and my father, they've been with me through a lot in my life, and they helped me like get through it. Twitter. I started using Twitter in my junior year of high school. I only used it for recruiting purposes. Um, this helped me in high school talk to many coaches around like the eastern area. And usually I use Twitter just to post. My LinkedIn is connected to my bio. On my post, I usually post football videos mostly, but when I was in high school, I mainly used I mainly used it for like letting people know that I got a scholarship offer to a certain school, like Stony Brook, Central Connecticut, Wagner, Sacred Heart, and then like the rest would be football pictures or like visits, and like say like my family helps me through everything, so that's why I post them. Also, I post stats from years, junior years, pictures, nothing but pictures. Also post like motivational quotes from speakers. So like that's what keeps me going. Also, thank you for your time. This is everything.